Hey guys, Xfer Sonance here, back to another video. In this video, we'll be making this Brazilian bass kind of style bassline in Serum. So the final result will sound like this.
Soy el fuego que...
So if you want this preset right away, make sure to check Bassline's forum tree. I will link it down below. The preset is coming from that pack, and besides that, you will get 45 more other presets in this style. So the presets sound like this. So now let's make it. First, select in the preset, lower down the master. So for oscillator A, we're gonna use the Evo long res. It's over here. So now let's lower it down 3 octaves. So you get a really gritty sound. Shape wavetable to around here. And leave like this. Then go to oscillator B. It's like a basic move. And lower down 3 octaves as well. Then go to the filter. It's like low 24. Cut off around here. Put the drive to around here. Some flatness. And now let's shape envelope 1. So lower down the sustain to around -6. Put a release bit. And lower down the decay. Then right to the filter. And it will sound like this. So there you already have the kind of texture of the sound. Then go to oscillator B and select FM from A. And put it to around here. So let's change the filter a little bit. And write oscillator B to it as well. Just like this. Then mono, legato, always pour that to around here. Just make it slide a bit more. And then we're gonna make it more punchy, so shape envelope 3 like this and write to the chorus pitch. Just add some punch to this sound. So go to the matrix, it's like one way to around here. It will give this pitch effect. It really makes a difference in sound. So now let's dive into the effects. So first of all, there's hyperdimension. Shape it like this. This will open up the bass a bit more. And then some distortion. Set the down sample. This is a really major key in this kind of bass lines. As you can hear, it brings that kind of high end to the sound. So drive around here. So this without. And this with it. It really brings out that highs to the sound. And then go to the chorus. Shape it to around here. And OTT to bring really up the volume of the sound. Gain around here, so it's kind of clipping. That really brings the aggression to the sound. Let's shape the down sample a bit more to around here. There's a bit too much highs in it, so now let's fix it with the EQ. So drag down the high end to around here and bring out the boomness to the sound. With envelope 1 to the gain. It's a bit too much, so let's shape the filter. Around here sounds fine. So now some delay, cut off the low end, because we don't want any lows in the delay. It's like a 1/8. Same for the reverb, cut off the lows. And shape like this. And there you have it, there's your Brazilian style bassline. So if you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.